सो हाय गाइस, टुडे आई बी शेयरिंग कि आप वन लिपस्टिक से अपने फेस पे इसको ब्रश भी बना सकते हैं, इसको आई शेडो भी बना सकते हैं। इसको लिपस्टिक से तो हम तरह से यूज़ करेंगे, लेकिन अदर तरीके से इसको फेस पे कैसे लगाएंगे सिर्फ वन लिपस्टिक से। सो कैन यू चेक इट आउट दिस थिंग? सो गेट स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी। सो फर्स्टली वी डू दिस इज़ द कॉफ़ी शेड from my purchase from the Glam Up. So this is no shade, and this is the flavor of coffee, and trust me guys, it's really awesome. You have to get you want to try something new thing, you have to try this, because you eat like coffee एक toffee, have you ever get it one toffee from purchase from my childhood, that I don't know the name also, I forget the name also, because I have the many of the issues of from related to the memory. So can we get it though? It's the flavor of coffee, and एक कॉफ़ी करके एक टॉफ़ी आती थी, उसका फ्लेवर जो होता था बिल्कुल उसी की तरह है ये। एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, सो स्मेल सो वेरी नाइस, एंड लगाओगे तो और अच्छी लगेगी। सो वी पुट ऑन आवर फेस दिस थिंग। Look at this. This is basically no shade, this is basically random shade, this is translation, this flavor, it's awesome. You have to get a thing. I think जो आपको चीज़ें लगानी चाहिए वो दूसरों के हिसाब से नहीं लगानी चाहिए कि दूसरों को कैसी लगती है, आपके फेस पे जो सूट करता है वो लगाना चाहिए। लाइक माई फेस इज़ नो दाना, एनी टाइप ऑफ पिम्पल, आई हैव नो गेट इट। आई यूज़ ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स बट बहुत कम। आई रियली यूज़ द ओनली वन बेसिक पियर सोप for my mouth only, and that thing make me beautiful. So we put this thing from our face first. So basically we using, so this like shade like brownish, light brownish, right? So can we expand on my face? बहुत स्लो अच्छे तरीके से फेस पे हाथ लगाना है, लाइक वेरी मुलायम तरीके से। सी व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग टुडे, इट्स लाइक स्लाइटली, सो दिस थिंग लाइक अ जस्ट अ बेसिक थिंग। जैसे हम फेस पे कुछ मेकअप लगाने से पहले प्राइमर यूज़ करते हैं, सो इट्स दैट लाइक थिंग। So second thing, I love this shade and the company of Ellie. Firstly, I use this shade from the Glam Up, but when I use this, I have to edit on this. Like I like this shades because मुझे कहीं पे भी जाना होता है, I use this shade, and trust me guys, it's very awesome. मुझे normally red, pink इतना पसंद नहीं है. I like brown shade, and when I go to the office, then this thing also, it's my favorite one of thing. So I apply on my face, full face, like eyeshadow, blush, foundation, primer, nose, blushes, lipstick. अब मैं इसको हर जगह पे लगाऊंगी. I have no user thing. I have more products in my bag, like primer and बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट है. I like primer, lipstick, René lipstick, and but I use these things only when I go to the party, when I go to the office, when I go for the interview, when I go for the marriage, etc, like this thing. But I'm not apply all the time in my face. So apply this thing. मैं और भी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगी, but this thing is my favorite, so watch me guys how looks my change. And it's my natural camera, it's not a Instagram filter, it's not a Snapchat filter, it's not a other filter. It's like B612 we used in our after we passed from the 12th, like 2016, from this thing. So this I shade this apply. This two thing is all of my favorite from my makeup kit. I love this product, I addict to this product. I use just like a, basically my first happiness is food, but lightly put on weight from the food, so I deduct it from the makeup also. ओके ये जो थिंग होती है ये लास्ट में होती है, दैट थिंग इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली लास्ट when we do all the makeup, then we apply put on lips or our lipstick. So I purchased this product on Nykaa, and this purchase product is from Glam Up. So Glam Up is one of my favorite, and Shraddha Kapoor is also my favorite. So I apply this thing. I love cheek blush also, so I apply this. Okay, अब हम इसको ब्लेंड करेंगे. अच्छे से ब्लेंड करेंगे. I want my makeup mirror, that's it, but I used all the time from the videos for making of my phone, that's it. It's converted into like a mirror like this. So I have brushes also. I think I applied कम जिससे दिख नहीं रहा है, so I applied more, but मैं उस जगह पे नहीं लगाऊंगी जहाँ पे है. Basically I use this strategies for making I forget the nose also. This is my forget things, so we apply. And if you have more than lipstick, then you have to go other things, but you want to carry not to carry it is not compulsory to carry other thing. You have to carry just one lipstick, and this gave me a perfect shade of this. I don't apply the eyeshadow because I want to light makeup. If you want to eyeshadow, then comment on below from my video or of my video, and if you like my video, like, share, subscribe my channel, and that's okay. If you like I want to eyeshadow makeup, then I also देखो how much glow I get it, so much flavor. I don't think so I get it, but yeah, that's it. So I just like it, this product. I just like this flavor. Actually मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने कम लगाया, but I applied this. ठीक है. थोड़ा यहाँ पे भी लगा लेते हैं. How I look at this, so bland. I have so many brushes, I have so many blushes, but I have so many puffs and other stuff जो होता है वो छोटा small सा, मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा उसका, but I like my fingers also when I use for the makeup, so I like it. I don't know when I get it, but just like, look at my face. So yeah, that's it. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe. If you not like my video, please ignore my video, so that's okay for me. So I think I applied. Yeah, that's the perfect look of my face. Look at my face. If you want to go any type of like party, office party, you can use this product, just one product, and your face is look awesome. I think my face got reddish because I have no mirror on this video. But look at my texture. So if you want to any other video on my channel related to makeup, related to diet, related to fracture diet, related to bone diet, you have to like, share, subscribe my video and comment below. So stay tuned with me.